I will be using aloe vera to shave my face. Let's see how it is going to work out for me. In the past, I have always used oil to shave my face, so I wanted to really experiment with aloe vera to see how it works. Now take a leaf and remove the thorns, and I'm going to tell you a very simple method to tell you guys how to extract out the gel. So take a peeler, peel the green leaf off, and inside you will get a chunk of aloe vera, and it is not going to make your fingers slimy or slippery, so it is going to be very easy to do it. After that, take a knife and take out the gel. Now if you want to apply it in your hair, you need to take out a lot, otherwise for your face, little leaf is going to be enough. Now I have put it through grinder, and you have your gel ready. If you want to apply it in your hair, I would highly recommend you guys to put it through a sieve. Now I'm gonna apply the gel all over my face, and yes, it will dry out during the process, so make sure that you reapply it whenever you think it is necessary. After that, guys, you need a razor. Now take a good face razor. It not only helps in removing the hair from your face, it also helps in removing the peach fuzz, also the dead skin cells. So if you want to go for exfoliating your skin, then it is going to be ideal. And people who think that after shaving your face your hair grows out thicker and darker, it is completely a myth. Do not worry about it. It has been more than 2 years now I'm doing it, and I'm highly satisfied with this process because it makes the application of makeup very smooth, and also the absorptions of product better. Now I want to introduce you guys to this Mamaearth Upton Day Cream. The best part about this is it is non-sticky. It also has SPF 30, which is ideal for all skin types, and it is also helps in preventing tanning from sun in winters because we tend to sit in the sun, we like the heat. And it also has turmeric and saffron extracts. Turmeric helps in brightening up your skin tone and give healthy glow to your skin. It also has saffron, which add radiance to your face. Now the ideal way to apply this cream on your face is to dot it all over and then massage it in your skin. Now it helps in making your skin moisturized, it helps in protecting it through sun, and if you use my code Ritu 2021, you guys will get extra 20% off. The cream is devoid of any kind of harmful chemicals or parabens which might harm your skin, so you guys do not have to worry about it. Also, if you combine it with Upton Night Cream, you're gonna get wonderful results. This has turmeric and saffron extract. It also has raspberry extract, which helps in imparting healthy glow to your face. In the same way, guys, take a little bit and apply it all over your face. It has raspberry, turmeric and saffron, which impart healthy glow to your skin, helps in brightening up your skin tone. Saffron helps in adding the radiance to your face, and guys, raspberry has lots of antioxidants which increase blood circulation, leaving your skin glowy, and it also helps in removing fine lines and wrinkles from your face. I have really seen some stunning results by combining these two creams in my daily routine, and you guys will be able to see just in 3-4 days your skin glowing, and it becomes so much beautiful, better and smoother for sure. You guys can have a look at my skin, how flawless it is looking. And guys, these products are available on Purple, Nykaa, Mamaearth and Amazon. And Mamaearth has launched their application. The link is going to be in the description box below. Just go and check it out right now. After that, guys, using the small strokes, I am gonna remove the hair on my upper lip. Even if I'm not shaving my face, I try to remove the hair on the upper lip using the same razor. It really works wonderfully. Around your mouth area, you guys need to be extra vigilant. Do not keep doing it on a same patch of skin over and over. And I can see the gel getting little bit darker in the color. I guess this must be the dead skin cell. And also aloe vera makes the process very easy. Through this entire process, I could feel that there was no friction and the razor was gliding on very smoothly. So I believe that I'm gonna replace my oil with aloe vera. It also does not leave your skin dry. Also, guys, make sure that you're using good quality razor. Do not go for the cheaper options available because they over exfoliate your skin. I have used them and they do not turn out to be great for my skin. And the same process I am doing it on my forehead. After that, just wash your face using cold water and pat it dry. And I was extremely happy with the results I got. My skin wasn't dry, it felt super smooth. I have nothing on my face right now. Now I am gonna apply a hydrating cream so that my skin can get the moisture it needs. It's already winters and I love how my skin looks. It is looking very smooth and beautiful. So yes, you guys can give this process a try for sure, and I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you guys so much.